In a quiet village named Devgarh lived a boy called Arun, a dreamer with a sky full of ambitions, but habits weaker than a tired donkey on a hot afternoon. Every morning, his mother shouted, "Arun, wake up. Even the sun is tired of waiting for you." But Arun always whispered, "5 more minutes." And he slept again. He wanted success, but never stay consistent. One day he'd exercise, the next day he'd skip. One day he decided to study, the next he'd be flying kites. Dreams, big. Discipline, zero. One evening, Arun met Major Sahni, a retired army officer who lived at the edge of the village. Every day, without fail, the major woke at 4 am, cleaned his courtyard, exercised, read, and he worked in his garden. Arun finally asked, "Major Sahni, why do you do the same things every day? Isn't it boring?" The major smiled and decided something Arun never forgot. "Son, habits are like seeds. What you plant today becomes the fruit you eat tomorrow. Your habits will either feed you or starve you." The night, Arun couldn't sleep. He thought of all his unfinished attempts. What if success wasn't luck? What if it was habits? The next morning, before sunrise, Arun forced himself out of bed. His body begged him to stop, but he didn't. He ran, he studied, he did it again the next day, and did the next. Small actions, repeated. Weeks turned into months. Arun became stronger, sharper, calmer. His discipline became his identity. Then came an opportunity, a government job exam with fitness and the written tests. On the big day, many boys ran fast but gave up early. Arun ran steady. His months of habits carried him. He passed the run. He passed the written exam. And weeks later, a letter arrived. "Congratulations, you have been selected." Arun stood frozen. Tears filled his eyes. "Ma, your son did it." His mother hugged him tightly. But no one was happier than Major Sahni. He placed his hand on Arun's shoulder and decided, "Motivation starts you. Habits keep you going." Moral: you don't need to change your whole life overnight. Start small. Do it daily. Let your habits build the future you dream of.